Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do strawberry picking. So I'm in Yokosuka. We're at the strawberry farm. So it's like an all-you-can-eat place. So when we go inside, we can pick and eat as many as we want. So I guess different farms have different rules. Because last year I went to another farm and we couldn't eat there. We could only pick, and they would pay for whatever we pick. So we paid 1,800 to get into this place. Yeah. What are you guys saying? We got number 12, so we gotta go this side.
But the lighting is perfect.
Yeah, because I'm facing the sun.
Lighting, right? Yeah. For pictures, not video.
Oh, pictures? No, but I wanna have I wanna have a picture. Take a picture in the farm.
I need a picture standing in the road.
You?
Yeah.
We have the leggings here. Nice.
Shein. Whoa.
It's just to what she. Well, except for
This
that.
is nice.
No, I think all of it.
About two, but they're too shiny.
I'm gonna get one. I like
What?
it.
This? Yeah, comfortable.
There are some people down there, so maybe you could have asked them like what is it? Oh wait, 12. Number 12.
You saw so?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's number 12.
I thought you wanted a picture in the lighting, no?
Let me take your picture. I want. Okay, yeah, maybe I could take a picture. But I don't like the background. Oh, okay. So we put that the trash in.
この中、30分間食べ放題。30 minutes.
But these strawberries don't be looking all that. So it's this way, then go around, and then this way. I didn't know that. Strawberry and condensed milk is a thing. Got the shoes I wore. I'm picking strawberries. So we have to pick them and eat them because we can't leave the greenhouse with strawberries. Oh, turn. Okay. I found some more. Ooh, these are extra soft. I can't even pick. Oh my god. This is juicy. This is very, very soft. Okay. These are very sweet. More. Let me give you some as well. My stomach is full, but I gotta continue to eat. Ooh, sunny. Alright guys, so we just came out of the greenhouse. Greenhouse you call it? Yeah, greenhouse. Greenhouse, yeah. Strawberry greenhouse. So we're gonna get something. I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably go do some shopping or something like that. Yeah. But my skin be glowing. I'm so conceited. Anyways. No, but look at them. Look at these people, you know? Look at these people. This man probably coming to tell us to get the hell out of here. Let's see. Is he gonna say something? Is he gonna say something? Grandpa? Or not? Okay, maybe not.
I think he's just trying to cross.
So I guess it actually was
A road.
a road.
Oh. Hello my loyal subscribers, thank you guys for watching my video until the end. So in this video I'm gonna be telling you guys the giveaway question. If you haven't watched my giveaway video where I detail what I'm doing, then I'm gonna link it below so that you guys can catch up on what is going on. But basically I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and the first 2 persons to get the correct answer, you have to write it below. First 2 persons who are correct, then they will get the prize money. And this is my first YouTube paycheck. I'm gonna be dividing it into 2 and giving it away to my 2 most loyal subscribers. But anyways, so I know you guys been waiting. So the question is, well, let me give you some backstory. So 2 Decembers ago I went to Okinawa for my vacation, right? And I stayed at 3 hotels in Okinawa. So I want you to tell me the names of the first and the last hotel that I stayed in Okinawa. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Just write the name of the first hotel that I stayed at and the last hotel that I stayed at. Okay, and bonus, well, no, I'm not gonna do a bonus. Yeah, so that's all. Just first and last hotel that I stayed at when I went to Okinawa 2 Decembers ago, and that's it. Okay guys, may the most loyal subscriber win my first YouTube paycheck. Okay guys, good luck, and thank you guys so much for supporting me throughout the years. All right, bye.